Welcome to the Baroda Institute of Technology for NIELIT O-Level and A-Level Career-Ready IT certifications. These are government-recognized NIELIT certifications offered in online and offline training modes, covering topics like Python, Java, web development, IoT, DBMS, and networking. At Baroda Institute of Technology, we transform beginners into job-ready professionals through structured learning and practical application. Our features include the BitLMS portal for 24/7 access, expert mentorship, a practical focus emphasizing projects, and dedicated career support. The NIELIT certification is jointly offered by MEDI and AICTE of India. It grants government job eligibility and AICTE-approved credits, fully aligned with the National Skill Qualifications Framework. The assessment structure includes exams in January and July with a minimum passing mark of 50% and a mandatory project. O-level graduates can directly enter the second year of A-level. Let's compare the O-level and A-level to see which fits you. The NIELIT O-level requires 10+2, an ITI certificate, or 10th Pass plus NIELIT CCC. It has a duration of 1 year or 6 months for graduates. The NIELIT A-level requires O-level plus 6 months of experience, a government-recognized diploma or degree, or 10+2 via an accredited institution, with a duration of 1.5 years or 1 year after O-level completion. Both courses offer BIT advantages like LMS access, live mentorship, capstone project, mock exams, and placement support, available in both online and offline modes. The O-level curriculum includes 4 modules totaling 520 hours over 1 year. Modules cover IT tools and network basics, web designing and publishing, programming through Python, and IoT and applications. Successful completion prepares you for roles such as Office Automation Assistant, Web Designer, IoT Application Integrator, and provides the foundation for A-level. The O-level requires 1 mini project of 40 hours. You must submit 1 major application, such as a responsive web portal, a data management system, or IoT automation. Key learning outcomes include using IT tools efficiently, designing interactive websites, solving problems using Python, understanding database management, configuring networks, and developing soft skills. The certification pathway requires 4 theory exams, a practical exam, and a project to obtain the NIELIT O-level certificate. The A-level is an advanced IT professional course at level 6, totaling 63 credits over 1,590 hours or 1.5 years. The foundation phase includes 4 O-level modules. Advanced modules cover data structure via OOP, COMP.org and oxygen monosulfide, database technologies, and systems analysis and design. You will also select 1 specialization group, such as data analytics, web app dev, info security, IoT, or AI, leading to roles like data analyst or AI engineer. The A-level projects consist of a mandatory mini project and a major project of 350 hours. Specialized track options include data analytics system or full-stack web app. Advanced learning outcomes focus on areas like advanced programming, database design, system analysis, specialized skills implementation, and software development lifecycle management. The certification pathway includes 10 theory modules, 2 practical exams, and 2 projects to earn the A-level advanced diploma. The NIELIT career progression begins with CCC-BCC Foundation, leading to O-level, diploma level, A-level, advanced diploma, B-level, MCA equivalent, and C-level, MTech equivalent. O-level is the most popular, and A-level is positioned for career growth. Our structured journey at BIT includes foundation bootcamp, module mastery, project work, exam readiness, specialization, and placement support. After the O-level certification, you can pursue entry-level IT roles in web development, programming, and IT operations with an average salary range of 2.5 to 5.0 LPA. Potential roles include web designer junior, software developer, IT support executive, and computer operator. Top hiring sectors are government, e-commerce, and education. The demand is high for Python and web skills. The A-level certification is equivalent to an advanced diploma, PGDCA, and prepares you for core technical development roles with an average salary of 4.0 to 8.0 LPA. Career options include Java developer, database admin, security analyst, and QA engineer. We track career transition and hiring sectors, with a very high market outlook for full-stack Java and security in 2026. Our edge is built on the BIT advantage. It includes the BIT LMS portal for seamless education and progress tracking. We offer expert mentorship with personalized attention via live classes and one-on-one doubt solving. Flexible learning features include online and offline modes, weekend batches, and hybrid classroom access. We ensure you are industry-ready through capstone projects, portfolio building, and coding standards. Our placement pathway follows 6 steps: career mapping, portfolio build, skill prep, mock interviews, job drives, and offer and join. We track readiness metrics to ensure interview readiness, focusing on assignments completion rate, project quality, mock score, and attendance. We proudly maintain a 92% placement success rate. Our success stories highlight significant career transitions. Students successfully clear NIELIT exams, build robust web portfolios, transition from non-technical to junior developer roles, and clear technical rounds easily. With over 500 certified students and 85% placement success, including a 40% average salary hike, BIT is a top NIELIT institute. The 2026 forecast shows strong projected demand growth for Java Dev, IoT, and Web Dev roles. Key drivers include massive digitization of government records, small business digitization, and rising cybersecurity threats. Top requested skills include Python, Java, HTML5/CSS3, JavaScript, SQL/DBMS, Linux admin, IoT basics, and network security. Choosing NIELIT provides essential qualifications for government jobs and a structured learning scaffold from foundation to advanced levels. The certification holds national recognition and is widely accepted. It is equivalent to a diploma or advanced diploma, expanding your career scope in both the public and private sectors. The BIT Advantage includes LMS access, live support, and placement assistance. Start your IT journey with BIT. Choose between the O-Level Foundation course for beginners or the A-Level Advanced course for diploma holders and graduates. The enrollment process involves a free counseling and eligibility check, batch selection, and LMS onboarding. To get in touch, call us at 93289 94900.